hidden away on a West Wales beach are abandoned Jaguar attack and reconnaissance aircraft. To get there, we had to go to a live firing range when it is open for public access, going past these control towers and fences. We found spent ammunition and human-shaped targets. After a long walk, we finally found the abandoned Jaguar aircraft that were being used as targets on the firing range. Both of these aircraft were built in 1975 and were originally stationed on RAF bases in Germany. This particular Jaguar aircraft flew 37 successful missions during the Gulf War.